On the controversy between India, Bharat, Hindustan, Rhodesia renamed itself. Many countries have renamed themselves. Rhodesia renamed itself because the name Rhodesia was taken after Sir Cecil Rhodes, who was the first colonizer of the country. So it was very wise, very sensible that they renamed themselves. No price is too high for the pride of a nation. Now, as regards India, the word comes from Sindhu, which the Arabs could not pronounce properly. They can't pronounce S properly, so it became Hindu. And the Greeks can't pronounce S properly or H, so they called it India. So it's a distortion, but the word is indigenous. And do we want to start a debate in 195 nations all across the world? Probably not. So let's just stick to India as far as the world is concerned. Within India, the issue is different. Between India and Bharat, a third name has been sidelined, that is Hindustan. We love all our names. Bollywood, in fact, has had songs. मनोज कुमार, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ.
भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ.
There's also I love my India.
ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India.
ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India.
And there is also छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी.
छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी. हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी.
We love all our names. Let's not be forced to choose between them. Let's not throw out anyone. Just like in a family, there may be an intimate name used within the family and a different name outside. It's debatable what name we used within the country, which one should be more prominent. But all three names, we love them, and their names will sound sweeter if we stop wrangling about them.